Hello my friends, welcome to Incidental Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha and today we have new headphones. So these are Soundcore by Anker Live Q350. Not the newest headphones around the block, but they are very interesting because I wanted to get the headphones which are wireless. In this particular case, these are, doesn't really say, these are Bluetooth. I don't really care about that much about noise cancellation, but I wanted to have them with LDAC. Ideally, I wanted to have an expensive headphones with LDAC and aptX HD or aptX low latency, but these support only LDAC. LDAC is still pretty good because some of my devices are supporting devices, particularly Galaxy S10 Plus. Alrighty, so what do we have here? So this is still sealed box. I'm gonna unbox it, but before let's talk about those features. Those are portable headphones, as you see. I think are they foldable? No, I don't think so. Okay, we're gonna check that. My Sony's are, so they are high resolution, whatever it means, really high resolution. Okay, that remains to be, I would say this is subjective. Smart wearing design. I think this device have feature when you put it on your neck, it stops streaming. At least this is how I interpret that. 40 hours playtime, that we're gonna check. Crystal clear call via 2 microphones with AI noise reduction. Well, that's remained to be seen. 5-minute charge equal 4-hour playtime. Let's see that. Fast pairing NFC. This is actually good. And touch for transparency mode. What transparency mode? Touch. This is something I have to figure out what the heck is that supposed to mean. Yeah, I'm gonna be using it in my office. There's some marketing wankery right here, and that's pretty much it. So let's get those guys open and see what they really are. I'm gonna be using my favorite tool of the day, very sharp knife. Ta-da! So I understand this is it? Will it? Yes, I think this is gonna just slide out like that. I'm gonna keep the whole boxy nice and shiny. Dude, look at that! Fancy pantsy! Look at that! Let's remove this. Well, I must tell you, that's nice. That's actually nice to see something like that. That's looking cute. So my previous headphones I already reviewed from Anker. I got mixed review, unfortunately. How do we sound? Soundcore. Do I need that? I probably don't need that. So everything, actually very nice packaging. There is some like little compartment. There is some kind of probably user manual and stuff like that. We remove that, so packaging goes to the side. Okay, my friends, so let's have a bit closer look what we have in this nice container. So okay, here we are. So headset is packaged like this. Looks like they have a little pouch with some other probably wires and things. So it's not folded. One thing is straight, another is folded. So yeah, one headpiece or earpiece. Oops. Okay, here we are. As you notice, the color of these headphones is not black, not blue. I decided to pick this ones, I don't know how to identify this color. I would call it titanium color because they were on sale, and it doesn't really matter to me, but color I liked first of all, and secondly they were good price. So here we are. So they are looking good. I like them a lot. Yeah, nice. So they are swivel. Probably this is the correct way because this is right, this is left. Okay, they swivel a lot this way, but they don't swivel a lot opposite direction. So yeah, so you would be carrying them on your neck like this, facing your body. Okay, they are looking nice, but let's take a look what we have in this little pouch here. Okay. Okay, it looks like we have a wire with a microphone, which probably gonna be used when you don't have connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity. This is USB-C charging cable, I assume. This is the airplane adapter. Why are we still using those two TS kind of connectors? I don't know, because this one is 3.5 TRS and this 2 TSs, which is essentially left and right channel. Here we are on silica gel. Okay, this is something we're not really interested in, obviously, because we are going to be using this guy with a Bluetooth. But before we start connecting, let's talk about controls. So as you see over here, there are some controls on left and right. So on left we have power button and noise cancelling. Probably this is gonna cycle through different noise cancelling modes. We have also USB-C charging port. On this side we have 3.5mm jack. Then we have few buttons. These buttons probably play stop, and this one is volume up and down. I think this guy, as is not mentioned here, it has touch for transparency. Not sure what the heck this transparency, cat's hair everywhere, this transparency means. We have to figure out that one. But also this which side, the right earpiece, earphone has ability to connect to pair with NFC, which we're gonna test very soon. It's supposed to have two microphones on each earpiece or each side. So clearly I see two openings here, but I see only one opening here, so I'm not sure where is the number 2 on this side. It's not visible, but it's 4 microphones, 2 microphones here, supposed to be, at least by the spec, and over here. So you can also adjust to accommodate bigger head sizes or smaller head sizes. Yeah, which actually works pretty nicely. I like it. This band is metal, which is awesome. It won't be that easy to break it. Looks like it's disassembleable. There are some screw holes right here. So if you need to, you can probably disassemble it to repair. Not sure how easily earpiece removes. It's really hard to say. Huh. Okay, I'm not gonna dig it for now. I'm gonna try to figure out. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's unscrewable like in some of the other. No, it's not. I don't see the screws, so I don't know. Really hard to tell. Something to figure out. I will probably I'll be doing second review of these guys when I actually use them for a while, and I'll have a little bit more opinions about sound quality, some usage, and things like that. Oh, I have an idea. So I would like to know the weight of this guy. Let me try something here. I have my kitchen scale right here, very shiny. Okay, let's see, what do we have? 269 grams. Okay, these are my Sony 1000 XM3s. Let's weigh these guys. 254. So these guys, in comparison to Sony's, they are 15 grams heavier. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I usually prefer lighter headphones because I usually wear them a lot if I, for example, at work. But these guys are only 15 grams heavier than my Sony's, and I can wear Sony's for a long time. So this is good. But still, this is really actually pushing it. 270 grams. Yeah. Little pushing it, so I would like to have something lighter, but let's see how that's gonna work. So I'm gonna be using them at work, listening to music, or actually doing some voice chats, Zoom or whatever. I'm gonna have way more opinion after I use them. But now let's try to connect them to my phone and play some music. So upon powering up, this guy actually tells you the battery level. For example, in this case it says battery high. It was just quiet. I think I don't think you hear it. Okay, so let's try to first understand, in order to pair it up. By the way, I'm gonna try to pair it up with my LG G7, which is older phone, but it has very nice sound capabilities and it supports LDAC. So I have NFC powered on, so make sure you turn on your NFC, and let's try to tap it and see what's happened somehow, somewhere. Hello? Okay, here we are. Probably my NFC chip is somewhere here. I just didn't know where is it. Pair. Connected. It just mentioned here that it is connected. So that was pretty easy. I did not have to enter any sort of mode. I just powered them up and did this NFC. You just need to make sure you know where is your NFC chip is located. Plus, this is very beefy case. Plus, you have to make sure you don't have any metal plate here, for example, for magnetic for magnetic interface in your car. So that's definitely gonna hamper your NFC pairing. Okay, so we have our phone connected. So now when we're connected, let's play some music. Let's do Alaskan Sky. Okay, I'm gonna just leave the headphones and prop it around camera microphone. Obviously this is not gonna be any representative because it's just not the real life scenario how you're gonna use them, but probably gonna be sound more tinier than it is. Bass gonna be pretty bad because this is not enclosed environment. Alright, but okay, we can play some music. But how do I make sure they are playing using their best possible qualities? How do I make sure that we are using that LDAC? I said stop. LDAC. So we have to go to Bluetooth settings right here. So here. So here's our device. Let's see what kind of properties we have here. Connection type. It says best sound quality. Listen in higher quality with the LDAC and aptX HD codec. But in order to make sure and actually see what mode we are in, we have to go to development mode. Development options. I have them enabled. Developer options. And now we're gonna scroll for a really long time to find this Bluetooth. I don't remember where it is. Yeah, it's gonna take quite a bit. Oh yeah, here we are. Okay. Okay, let's check here. It says here best effort, and we're gonna switch it optimized for audio quality. Then streaming. So here is many different codecs this thing support, like this phone supports. Clearly, when I'm gonna switch to the codec that headphones does not support, for example, Qualcomm aptX HD audio, it's not gonna work. So we're gonna keep it at LDAC. But streaming gonna be optimized for the best sound quality. Stereo, and here we are. We can even 32 bits per sample. That's crazy. 96 kilohertz. That's nice. What else we can change here? That's pretty much it. So let's try something else here. Let's try to play some music. Let's do this Alaska Sky. Let's play Alaska Sky again. But now I'm gonna pull my microphone out of here. And I'm gonna just plop it just right here. And we listen a little bit to this track. As I mentioned again before, that's not going to be the ideal use case scenario, because it's essentially when they are headphones situated like this, they're essentially cancelling each other, and the sound goes into wrong directions. But still. I think that's gonna be enough, because it's not really comfortable to sit like here, and you're probably wondering what the heck is going on here. Anyways, so I will stop at this. So I hope this little bit of music gave you some sort of representation, at least close one, to how these guys are sounding. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing a lot of testing before I'll come back and will tell my final verdict. But as far as unboxing video go, I think I'm pretty happy about them, I must say. Certainly much more happier with this particular version of Q35s than my previous video about Q10s. So guys, I think so far I'm impressed. I like the color, I like the shape, I like the quality is actually really good. Not sure how those materials gonna be withstanding prolonged use, but so far so good. So please you know, subscribe if you want to see a continuation of this video, part 2, where actually after a while, after using them for a while, I'm gonna tell my opinion on them. But right now I'm actually pretty positive, and from what it is, from what my first opinion, I think I'm gonna be liking them. So guys, I think this is gonna be it for now. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like the video, comment away. I'm looking forward to talk to you, and see you next time. Ciao.